In this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete or remove any listing from your Teespring store. I'm just gonna say in advance that this tutorial is not how to permanently remove a listing on Teespring, because simply you cannot do that. So to remove a listing, you'll need to go into your Teespring dashboard or log in. Then you need to go over here to listing and click on this. From here, you can see all of your active designs, and you can decide to already sample if you want to do that. But over here, you have the opportunity to edit the settings or duplicate settings or even archive. So you need to find your design and click on archive. So now you can see, now it's not an active design, but you can still find it when you show archived designs like here. This is how you do it. If you have any questions about it, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!